So, welcome back, guys. This is Sarathi. As you know, I'm a day trader, and this is my channel. And I have a community which is called the Will of Tea Traders. Okay, so most of them would be my subscribers. So, if you are a new person, uh, so this channel is all about my journey, and it's about what I'm doing and about the community, the will of tea traders, and you can learn about the tradings and stocks stuffs, financial stuffs. Okay, so uh, yeah, if this is works for you, you can subscribe and watch the video that you like. Okay, okay. So actually, I told like I will post continuously every week, every day. But you know that I informed before uh, about the challenge, 10K challenge, and also that I'm working on other stuffs also. So it might getting some less time to prepare and post the stuffs, so I don't want to waste every posting like daily analysis and stuff. So if I post something, that video has to be uh, value at least 50 percentage for them. So if you are watching, if you are beginner, of course my videos will be benefit for you. Okay, yeah. And like, so today topic, I come up with the idea. Okay, audio. So I come up with the idea which I can provide, like, in a beginner time period. I was struggle to find best sources and best strategy. Or let's take, if you going with SMC or ICT or any kind of strategy. Okay, at the beginning you will watch so many videos, and you will look for every mentors, every new mentors, right? But everyone asks for money, or they ask for some kind of subscription for them to provide their particular sources. Okay, but here what I'm going to do, and like, I gather some kind of sources which is maybe file or video or any kind of docs, or it's based on file only. Okay, so it contains image, or yeah. So those things I can't going to post on blindly. So this exact source you can access through Telegram. So for now I prepared on Telegram. So how you going to access this exact free resources for trading stock market and all about the finances? Okay, like risk management, psychology, everything will be there. And I don't going to post fully at the just first day itself, because when I was uh, beginning of uh, beginning stage, while I was learning, and I was so confused, and there are a lot of sources are there. And of course, if you are beginner, you don't gonna search every sources, or every PDF you don't gonna read, every strategy you don't go into back test, right? Of course, you don't did until you were becoming a full-time trader or professional. You not gonna will say, yeah, you're not gonna research fully. So that's why I personally um thought to create a channel, like Telegram channel for now. And it is totally free, and there is a process. that you can access the channel. So it is private channel, okay, not public. So I will tell the process. Before that, let's get into the channel, like how it works, and how this exact channel gonna benefit you. Okay. Yeah. Hope it's visible now. Okay, so as you guys know that every time I don't go directly into the topic, first I will explain about the daily analysis. So I changed those exact way because what I'm posting exactly that topic I asked to be refer first. So daily analysis and the results will be on the end of this video. So once we cover the topic that we are working on today, then we'll go for the analysis. Okay, give me a minute. I'll post. Yeah, fine. So here you can see I just started like 1 day ago this channel. So today I'm launching this. So I'll gonna try to reach as much as possible audience. So yeah, you can see here uh, volume profile strategies, which is three parts. This is both advanced topic. So SMC concepts. So why I'm saying this, free resources gonna help you, and because I read those strategies and I worked on that, and I'm not blindly posting those resources. Whatever the resources that I'm posting here, which is back tested at least once. So these resources are so much benefit for beginners and also beginners to advanced traders. Okay, so yeah, so two topics were covered today, but in future there are a lot because I have so much data. So what means that I don't prefer to post like it's looks like a mess if I posted every data and every uh, strategies and stuff. But I will prefer to post only best one. So the process. So this resource is going to help you. Okay, so these resources is not created by me, like not by myself. There are some authors which is experienced traders, uh, or experts or scientists who are working on quant finance or financial institution. So they were created kind of books, and if you go through in like some kind of resources is not available in Google itself. You can only find it in dark web. Okay, like dark web means it's not kind of like you have to use VPN. So yeah, so my knowledge it's gonna be also you can access how the process works. So it's totally free. First you have to go to this channel. You can link will be there in YouTube. Okay, YouTube, or if you are watching any social media, so this exact Telegram channel will be there. Go there, join, and if you go to the profile, you will see my exact ID, Telegram ID. Just click it and message me. I will let you know the process. So it's free. Uh, I don't ask you to pay while you message. Once you message, it's as a process like you have to join through referral, or two ways are there. So I will let you know on the my DM. Okay, and yeah, So for now, this is all, and so it's not too much big to talk about, right? So let's see. Let's start with let's. I just show you like what's that exact. Okay, so this is how those resources will look like. It's just a part. I'll just scroll down. Like you don't have to look into every videos for strategies, and don't have to note everything. Okay, so if you have best strategies, notebooks, or any kind of resources, just go through it and go for the back test, because back test takes so much time, bro. Don't waste your times on so much videos and stuff. Okay, so this is how it looks. So these resources, which is today you can access fully. Yeah, so that's all for now. And what else I have to talk? Okay, so hereafter I'm not gonna post everyday live, because um, as I told, I'm working on particular strategies which make sure that I don't gonna fail the challenge. Not only the challenge, uh, I have to get successful in the trading. Okay, so even if it's not successful, at least I have to gain some income. Like I have to generate a passive income from that exact professional. Okay, so that's why I plan to work on that so deep. So I might came into live 2 to 3 days a week, and I'm gonna let you know other plan and other thing that I'm gonna do in next week. So we'll see through this exact channel. So stay tuned. And about the 10K challenge, okay? About the 10K challenge, yeah, I personally passed that challenge because um, I was used to trading with scalping mostly on that account. So what I thought, I will go with maybe SMC based or characteristic of gold, which I am using as a strategy to trade that exact account. So it doesn't comes like every day. That setup is doesn't come every day. Like you see today, uh, we grab this exact setup, so it doesn't come every day, and also it comes with risk. So I only use for less risk, so make sure that I don't blow out that account. Okay, that's all. And so we covered not everyday life for now. Not everyday means like not after month, like maybe this month and next month, not everyday life, but 2 to 3 days. Yeah. And the challenge account, I'm still gonna post. If I got best trade and I traded that exact setup, I gonna post it on social media. Okay, or shorts, reels. Yeah. And uh, give me a minute. I don't know my seriously, like I don't know why this is happening. The camera was good, like it's turning off automatically. It may be lag, I guess, because I'm using a particular software which is called It's fine. Yeah. So actually, I'm using OBS Studio and Camo Studio. So if I like it's cam in my mobile, right? So something notifications or some call came, my camera will go blank like that. Okay. So where I left about the setup. So today you can see here and newses. So if you are following at like traders, you have to follow the newses. Okay. So newses are so important so that you can prevent bad trading, like bad setup, or you can prevent the loss. Okay. So as you can see, uh, US regulates the crypto on bank investments, which is very huge positive side on crypto. Okay. So if you were watching from like if you were from other countries, or even here, if you want to travel to other countries, if you plan to invest on crypto, sure, you can go with that. Why? Because if banks are investing on crypto, so the crypto is something else gonna be in the future. So yeah, that's a big news, but it's not related to our today's session. And you can see I will explain this setup for today. Okay, so uh, yeah, and you can see here that uh, I used to trade with another account because highest risk setup today. So actually, I confirmed with two ways, but the third way shows its risk setup because you can see this is a breakout structure. If you go with higher time frame, you can look very like it's visible very clearly. Okay, like this kind of breakout structure. Okay, okay, yeah. Uh, the breakout structure, and if you learned SMC, so you will know that what is breakout structure and change of character, fair value gap, order block, those all stuffs. Even in ICT also it's there. So it doesn't like so much difference from ICT and SMC. SMC is particular like maybe you can say from ICT, but authors both authors were totally different. SMC is particularly formed like one pattern. So in that exact pattern, you can trade for mostly all this setup. But in ICT, it's not. I'm not that much sure about ICT because I'm not learned fully. Like I have a basic idea. It has a huge of information. Only if you learned ICT, you may know. One of my friend knows ICT, and he tells that it was working fine. So maybe you can give a try, and I'm also ready to backtest those. So if you know here, it's simply an entry on fair value gap. So I was started already entry here actually. Okay. So why this was a very risky trade? In this exact setup, it shows sell, but as per news and the Fibonacci levels where buyers were pushing from the morning, like totally the buyers were there, no sellers. If you can see here, if you use volume profile, so You may have some idea. Oh, okay. Give me- Okay. So, uh, sorry guys, that exact chart was gone. I didn't save that. It's okay. So if you use volume profile, so you can see this was not formed in the morning, like this exact highest point. So the buyers were pushing very hard that you can't say if the sellers were not came there exactly, it could have reached the passed the Fibonacci level and reached to this top. Once if it reached there, you can't accept that exact setup to be done. Okay, so that's why uh, we exactly thought it was a risky setup, but it went smooth and good. Okay, so yeah, okay, and then this exact setup strategy, which is in SMC, you can find it. You can find it here. Okay, this is exactly there. It's even advanced. That was a basic setup. It's even advanced. If you prepared this, you will get mostly around let's say weekly 2 to 3 trades. So you can get succeed in that if you manage risk management and psychology. So well, uh, that I was pretty happy today. More than 5 views came. Let's, I think let's end this session. What I missed. Okay, so I think I almost covered today's trading resources. And I told about the challenge we will post. Uh, it may delay by like weekly per trade and was planned, so it may delay, but we are still on the challenge. And what next? You can, yeah, almost. I don't want to waste your time. So see you. Bye bye. For this resource, as I told, join this channel and message this exact ID. It's me. I will let you know the simple 2 to 3 minute process to get access for that resources. It's free. Okay. So yeah, see you. Bye bye. Thanks for your time. Peace.